when you pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud too. Today's rant. Let's play some prize box bingo. $3. Ticket 31. Make sure it's in the focus. Alright. Remember, we take the letters first. And then I'm gonna try to play this game as slow as possible because again, twice it's already happened that three times. No, twice. I've had two winners, and when I put the number down here, that reveals its barcode and whether it's a winner or a draw for this. Twice I've had two winners that I didn't claim, but I just put them here on the side, then punch them in later. So I gotta play it and make sure that I scratch. But anyways, when you pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud also. Man, I'm gonna tread lightly here because there was one dude, actor slash activist, who was gunned down by. I want to say the woman was 19 years old and she was living out of her car homeless. And she breaks into this dude's house. He's an actor, uh, comes from a Hollywood family. Let's go with the bees. And 78. So he's an actor and activist doing philanthropy work, comes from a Hollywood family. Living good, but also helping out those that don't have. And the homeless lady living out of her car went to his home and whacked him with you know YouTube doesn't like words like this, so try not to upset the big boys. Maybe they'll still put my videos on more eyeballs. But 38 and 40. But I bring that up because um, you can't help everyone. The other day I was in a rush, taking care of this and that, and I'm thinking, fuck, I'm gonna grab a pizza right here, and family owned franchise, and just good people there, and go down there and order the stuff, pay with some of these. And then comes in this big black motherfucker, strong motherfucker. Mostly probably at least possibly like a well, if you were to see me and him fight, you'd be like, fuck, I'm gonna get my ass whooped. But he's like, come on, man. He's like, can you get some money? Because I'm getting my change from the register. I think, and I even think I got converted some of these to dollars at that register. He's like, come on, man. I just got out the pen. And I'm thinking, what the fuck? And I'm thinking, wait, I'm trying to process this, right? And I didn't even finish completely processing it because as soon as you tell me you're from the pen, and I've never been to prison or jail, but I know that, look, even amongst in there, let's go with the G's. And some people say, man, you're not even from the streets. What do you know about that? It's like, motherfucker, you're in Los Angeles. Everyone talks. You hear stories, what they did, what they got locked up for. 57, if you got out the pen, that means you went to prison. That means you were guilty of whatever the fuck you did. But now I'm thinking, like I should have asked, what you get locked up for? Like, did you go apologize to the victims? Because what could you get locked up for? Robbery, attempted murder, carjacking. You know, did you um, go repay those motherfuckers? You know, if it really, 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 I'm trying to think. You know, the sort of jobs I could have had if I didn't get on the creative side, if I didn't want to think or create or study, I could have go worked at a car wash or been a dishwasher somewhere. And I've had the dishwashing job before. That's not fun, but you know what? I don't think and deal with customer service, inventory, broken plates, um, menus, food preparation, shit like that. So I get to pay whatever the fuck the owner thinks I should earn. Fits in his bottom line. 36.43. But fuck no, I'm not gonna give this motherfucker my money. Even let's go where G here, G3, G46, 5346, 53. I lost my train of thought because now I'm thinking about all this. 46. So yeah, you can't help out everyone, dude. But this guy was, had a big heart, and I saw in the comment section a lot of people want to focus on the outward effect of problems, but never look at the inward effect. And there's some people that just can't be helped, dude. They don't want the help. Remember one time, this one guy said, "Man, can you have $1, man? I'm trying to buy some milk." And I go to him. It's like, there's a food bank over there. I could show you. He's like, yeah, whatever. Thinking, bitch, don't get fucked up, motherfucker. But there are people that just want the dollar to get high. And then someone could say, "Man, well, how do you know, man? Were you there? How do you know? How do you know he really? How do you know he didn't really want cereal?" When I'm hungry, I like KFC. If I'm very hungry, I'll eat cold KFC. If I'm extremely hungry, I'll eat stale 1 or 2 day old KFC. But to say, you know what? Well, I'm so hungry, but I feel like eating some Cap'n Crunch cereal. Is that the regular brand cereal? No, I can't. They gotta be processed mini wheat. They gotta be whatever the fuck, right? Fuck that. And I still remember this one time where by Skid Row, this homeless woman, she's like tweaker bitch. It's like, yeah, can I get something to eat? Can you help me out here? And this white guy, goofy looking nerd guy, goes, "Yeah, you want something? I'll get it for you." It's like, make sure you order me the fish and chips, and make sure that the fries are extra crispy. All right, and that fish has got to be done this. And I'm thinking, what the motherfuck? And I'm thinking, I'm checking my pockets. I'm thinking, you know what? I can't afford the fish here at this fish restaurant. It's better go down the street and get a burger for less. And yeah, dude, I don't. Let's go with the with the bees. B6, B2, B6, B2. But yeah, some people just well, look, when I say you can't expect, you gotta deal with the mud if you're hoping for rain. Where you could just attract someone that's ungrateful, trying to help you out. Be like, whoa, well, look, why is he trying to help me out? Look, it's like he knows I need a house, and he sees me living in my car. Why doesn't he let me live in the living room? Why doesn't he let me live in the closet? Why doesn't he let me pitch a tent in the front yard? And fuck that, man. It's you never know. Some people could just fucking snap like that, and I've seen it. I've seen people like, well, who does he think he is? Well, how does he deserve that trophy, that job, that promotion, this or that? So what if she studied, worked hard, saved up, got another job, um, followed the law, fucking studied or whatever the fuck, man. Again, there are people out there that are just no good, and people will, if you run into them, fuck that. It could just be your bad fucking day, man. So we cannot win with the B's. So we have one B left. So here where we need two. So that is B9. 9. Okay, well, we went with the four corners. Let's go with the ends. Okay, let's go with the eyes. I-22. Alright, so we can't win there because no more G's left. So I think we have an O and a B. There's a B over here. B4. B4 what? Okay. So we got the O's. We could hit two O's here. Alright. Let's see. But yeah, dude, if you're gonna be saving the world, just expect people out there ready to sabotage you or hurt you or take from you. Or so either we could win with an whole O row or these two O's. Okay, because we can't win here. Let's go with O66 and O64, 66. 64. 66. Okay, so again, we need these two. 71. So all we need now is a 6-9. Come on, Takashi 6-9. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? 61. Uh-oh. Yeah, we really need the 6-9 here. Need it. But yeah, dude, there've been times where, you try to do the good thing or you do the good thing and it just, it causes more of a headache or it costs you more than what you're giving. No 13 here, I don't think so. Again, we punch this in, so we'll see if we miss anything on here. But not. We'll go get another one. That was ticket 31, but that's it for now.